Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to enable the Gmail Hangout chat functionality. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial for you guys today, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So you want to start by left clicking on the gear icon on the far right side of the Gmail page, where if you hover over it, it should say settings. You want to just left click on that one time, and then in this menu you want to go down and left click on settings. Now you want to go ahead and left click on the chat tab, and where it says chat you want to select chat on, so the circle next to chat on, and then left click on save changes. And then once Gmail has reloaded, the chat functionality should be enabled. So here you go guys, you can see we have our user account icon with the green circle, meaning that we are good to go. So pretty straightforward tutorial. Hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.